I just can't let you know.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Welcome ladies and gentlemen, it's Iceblade here with another YouTube video. Today we're doing the unboxing and review on a coiled keyboard cable. So why a coiled keyboard cable? Always get cables with your keyboards. I'm going to quote the box at the back where it says, because coils are great. Cool, awesome, whatever. We used to make these and it's not hard to do. It's actually a nice fun project. If you like to see me do one of those, leave a comment down below and I would get the goodies to build one for you on video. This one is from Asceny and it's one of the cheaper ones on the market, because if you kind of can do flex coils, it's hard to pay the premiums if you know what it costs to make one yourself. So this one was just for a test purpose and for review. In the past they kind of had bad reviews where some of the connectors came loose, and they are promised to fix their problems. So I'm going to check up on them. Now the box is basically completely covered in a plastic wrap. So let's stab it. Stab at it. Done. No stickers because it doesn't need any. It was covered in plastic. What you do get is a coiled cable. Surprise! Then there's a couple of stickers you get with this and a nice message from them. Hey there! We hope you will enjoy your new cable. We have put lots of effort into creating the product that stands in one with the standards of keyboard enthusiasts for a reasonable price. If it lasts and if it's good and if they have fixed their issues, then it's a good statement. Don't forget to share with us some of the pictures of your new build, and please consider leaving a genuine review for this product on Amazon. It helps us a lot. If this product is good, guys, you'll get it. Okay, now the coil cable it's a nice tight coil. Not a lot of bad you can say about a coil, unless when it's untidy and loosey. Normally when you use a too big an object to coil around, then it's not a good coil. This is a nice tight coil. Plastic connectors seem solid. Get a little bit of a... This is a fine one. Okay, it comes loose. Okay. Seems to be nice and lengthy. Beautiful. Nothing much on the onset that is bad. Seems solid at this stage. So I'm just going to plug this into my GK61 and see if it picks up and if it fits.
2,000 years later.
It fits on the GK61. It's a nice and tight fit. There's no loosey-goosey there. It is really a nice lengthy cable. It worked. Immediately picking up the GK61 in Windows. All the RGB is running, going wild here. I'll just test this for a while and see how it goes. Currently, no fault, nothing loose. So it seems that they have looked at complaints and have addressed it. So that's what you want from a company. Listening to their clients. If there's some bad reviews, look at it and address it and fix it in future products. So currently it's looking good. I'll get some pictures of it and get into testing it. So no, these cables are not meant to do things like that. I actually had a review I did on a Red Dragon Griffin mouse where they actually mentioned that the cable could take 10 kgs of strain. I don't know why they would test that or why you would need your mouse cable to have that strength in it, but yeah, probably rage gamers and going crazy. But no, there's not going to be tests and to see how far I can push this cable before it breaks. I need to actually use this cable. So if there's anything you want to know about this cable, you can pop it in the comments down below. If you have one like this, the older versions that did fail, or you have a new one, you also have issues with it, or you're satisfied with it, also leave it down in the comments down below, and we can get like a record of how it's going now with the new products they're pushing out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We need some friends on here. Hit the like if you found this video helpful, and hit that bell if you want to see some new content coming your way. Thanks for watching, guys.